Good morning. I'm Rosalind Pryor, speech language pathologist and educational diagnostician, and it's been a while since I've made a video, but I wanted to talk to you about organization today. A lot of our kids aren't organized when they are at home learning or when they're in cohorts in the classroom. So I just wanted to give you a few hints and things to help with organization. So a few tips. So you want to make the time to help your child clean out their backpack and make sure that it's cleaned out. All the papers that need to go to you have gone to you. All the papers that they need to turn in have been turned in. So go through that backpack and clean it out and make sure everything is in its place. You also want to assist your child with cleaning and organizing by at least helping them start whatever activity that it is that they need to start. Offer them a reward or incentive for straightening and organizing their materials and putting away belongings and so forth. If you're using a token economy system for behavior modification at home, give points, tokens, or so forth for their organizational goals. Now, label your child's materials and possessions with his or her name on it. I always used to do this. My kids didn't like it, but I used to do it because they would lose pencils, they would lose pens, notebooks, everything. And so you want to label everything. So if they do lose it, hopefully it will come back to them, or they will know which things are theirs and which things belong to someone else. Avoid early morning rush and stress by developing the routine of your child getting as much as possible organized and ready for school the night before. Now, this is something we've known for a long time. If you get things organized the night before, it's just easier in the morning to get going. And all they have to do is leave and take their backpack with them. And place the backpack at the same spot every day, usually at the door where they're going to leave, or you can place it at the front door, at the door in their bedroom, so all they have to do is grab it after they get dressed. So make those things just part of your routine and your organization as you are getting your child ready to go to school, or whether you're doing distance learning at home. Try to be organized. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.